Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, 2 Degrees No Job. Alright, so boom. So I'm gonna show y'all a little something, how I make over my bar or whatever. The before. Yo, am I the only one? Where did this shit come from? Like, every time you move something, you always find weird shit. Like, what the fuck? Stop. I'm gonna stop this shit right here. Do not use a little ass roller like I did. This shit took forever. Ooh, it's about to get sexy up in here. So if anyone out there is trying to buy some feet pictures, I got you. A quick shameless plug to self. So I made this bar, but guess what? I didn't record it, so I'm going to say this out loud so you all can hold me accountable. I am going to record every single thing I make. Every single thing I make. These are iridescent wine glasses from Home Goods. I will try to link everything below to the best of my abilities. A lot of my things were from Home Goods, and I know that they don't have a website, but I'm gonna try and find things that are similar. This is my letterboard. The quote says, "Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of it." Okay, period. And of course, I can't forget my girl Mona. Hey, get it. Son, I'm so indecisive. I know y'all know what I'm about to say. Yes, this is my favorite. Oh my god. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'ma see y'all. Peace.